Capture heat signatures with clarity and precision without spending a fortune. The best cheap thermal camera delivers impressive thermal imaging performance, perfect for home inspections, repairs, or outdoor use, offering affordability, accuracy, and reliability all in one compact and user-friendly device. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. TOPDON TC004 Thermal Camera. The TOPDON TC004 thermal camera offers impressive performance and advanced imaging technology at an affordable price, making it one of the best cheap thermal cameras available. With its TISR enhancement feature, it upgrades the native 128 by 128 to 240 by 240, delivering clear, detailed visuals for precise thermal inspections. Its wide 40° by 30° field of view and smooth 25 Hz refresh rate ensure accurate and responsive imaging, perfect for identifying temperature irregularities in home inspections, electrical systems, and mechanical equipment. Designed for versatility, it includes automatic temperature alerts that capture images when preset limits are exceeded, streamlining diagnostic work. The 512 MB eMMC storage allows up to 8,000 photos, ensuring you never run out of space during long projects. With a wide measurement range of -4 Fahrenheit to 842 degrees and 5 customizable color palettes, you can adapt easily to different job requirements. The ergonomic, pocket-sized design provides comfort during prolonged use, while its 15-hour battery life and IP54 waterproof rating ensure reliability in demanding environments. Number 2. AMPBANK H128 Handheld Thermal Camera. The AMPBANK H128 handheld thermal camera is a budget-friendly yet high-performance device built for accurate and smooth thermal imaging. Featuring TISR technology, it enhances its 128 by 128 base resolution to a clear 240 by 240 output, supported by a 25 Hz refresh rate for fluid, stutter-free visuals. With a thermal sensitivity of 40 mK, the H128 can detect even the smallest temperature variations, ensuring precision in home, electrical, and industrial inspections. Its accurate temperature readings, with a resolution of 0.1 degrees C and +3% accuracy, make it ideal for identifying heat leaks, insulation gaps, or electrical faults. The camera's rechargeable battery stands out, offering an impressive 24-hour runtime for extended inspection sessions without interruptions. It also includes an intelligent auto shutdown feature to conserve energy when idle. Built with durability in mind, the H128 is rated IP65 for dust and water resistance and can survive drops from up to 6.56 feet, making it reliable for tough job sites. Number 3. HSFTOOLS HF96 Thermal Camera. The HSFTOOLS HF96 thermal camera is a smart, efficient, and affordable choice for users seeking advanced infrared imaging capabilities. It features HSFTOOLS' proprietary IntelliFault technology, which uses intelligent scene recognition to automatically identify issues like water leaks, insulation gaps, and electrical faults. This makes thermal inspections faster and more accurate with minimal user input. The HF96 functions as a versatile 3-in-1 tool, combining a thermometer, thermal camera, and laser pointer, offering complete temperature measurement and visualization in one device. The camera's live super resolution technology enhances the native 96 by 96 resolution to 240 by 240 in real time, delivering clearer, more detailed thermal images with smooth 25 Hz frame rates. With a 50-degree field of view, it provides broad coverage for efficient scanning, automatically pinpointing hot, cold, and center spots. The thermal sensitivity below 50 mK ensures high-definition detection of subtle temperature variations. Designed for convenience, it supports easy control for photo capturing, video recording, and palette switching. Number 4. HSFTOOLS HF96V Thermal Camera. The HSFTOOLS HF96V thermal camera brings dual camera versatility and intelligent performance at a cost-effective price. Equipped with both a 96 by 96 infrared camera and a 640 by 480 visible camera, it supports 3 imaging modes: thermal, visual, and fusion, to deliver enhanced detail and contrast for improved diagnostic clarity. The IntelliFault technology further elevates its usability by automatically recognizing problem areas like leaks or insulation flaws through deep learning algorithms. This smart functionality allows quicker, more reliable thermal inspections. The HF96V also serves as a 3-in-1 device, functioning as a thermometer, thermal camera, and laser pointer, with intuitive controls for image capture, video recording, and palette switching. The camera's 50-degree wide field of view ensures comprehensive coverage, automatically detecting hot, cold, and center points for efficient anomaly recognition. Users can also set customizable temperature alarms and manually adjust levels for precise targeting. The integrated laser pointer and simultaneous dual image capture simplify pinpointing issues even in tight or dark spaces. The device includes 7 color palettes, a tripod mount, and powerful PC software, HSF Studio, for advanced data analysis and real-time monitoring. Number 5. Teslong TTM120S Thermal Camera. The Teslong TTM120S thermal camera combines reliability, portability, and performance, making it one of the best cheap thermal cameras for inspections and maintenance tasks. Equipped with a 3.2-inch HD screen, it delivers a 120 by 90 IR resolution enhanced to 240 by 180 using super resolution technology for sharper image clarity. With a 25 Hz refresh rate, it provides smooth, real-time imaging ideal for HVAC work, electrical system checks, or building diagnostics. The camera's wide 50-degree by 38-degree field of view allows efficient area coverage, while its temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 752 degrees Fahrenheit and accuracy within ±2 degrees Celsius ensure precise readings. It automatically locks onto and displays the highest, lowest, and central temperatures, issuing alerts when thresholds are exceeded for quick anomaly detection. The Teslong TTM120S also offers 8 color palettes and 3 AGC modes to adapt visuals to different scenarios. Adjustable emissivity settings improve accuracy across various materials, making it suitable for multiple applications. The 2600 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 6 hours of operation, with adjustable auto shutdown timers to extend life. Ruggedly built and tripod-compatible, this thermal imager delivers excellent balance between affordability, functionality, and durability, ideal for professionals and DIY users who demand consistent, high-quality results without overspending. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.